guys, Kitchen Fairy here with Furball, and for today's recipe I have a very simple stir fry green leaf. It's so delicious, just as is. I love it just as is, freshly stir fried, made, and right away I serve it for myself, no, for the family. But yeah, sometimes when I feel like totally feeling like something refreshing, I will just go to the supermarket and grab a bag and then stir fry it for myself. I am that piggy. Anyways, this is stir fry Yue Choy some. This is like Chinese broccoli, but it's not really Chinese broccoli. Almost similar to Polly. Look at this. Look at you. Almost similar to gailan. In Indonesia, we call it like sawi. There are different kinds of sawi, and this is one of these. One of it. So again, this is Yue Choy some stir fry. It is refreshing and it is not complicated to make whatsoever. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. Roughly slice one bunch of green onions and one bunch of Yue Choy and rinse them. 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil with 1 tablespoon of minced, and add in your veggies. Just gonna place the lid on top and let it soften a bit. Open the lid and you want to stir fry it. You can add a little water, but usually when you rinse the veggies there's some water left, like that. Otherwise you're gonna need about a cup of water. When veggies is somewhat softened, season it with Hungarian Vegeta to taste and a little of sesame oil also to taste. Some people like sesame oil a bit strong, some people don't really. In my family we love the veggies somewhat still crunchy, so it's all up to you if you want to stir fry it until super softened or half cooked, somewhat crunchy. Also add a little sugar to balance the Vegeta powder or the saltiness. Again, if you want the veggies to be totally soft, then it's all up to you, but again, my family likes them when it's still a bit crunchy. Otherwise you have to cook it more to make it softer, and basically your veggies done.